Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and here we are discussing about a living room sofa set. We'll discuss about the wood type, the colors, the fabrics, the setup, everything. Before that, what we have here, I'll show you. We have a three-seater sofa along with two chairs and a day bed or a divan or a chaise lounge, as you call it, along with a center table right here. Let's talk about the sizes first. This is 7 feet left to right. Back height is around 45 inches, a little less than 4 feet, and front to back, this is 32 inches, a little deeper than regular sets. Then we have chairs 42 inches left to right, back height is same 45, 32 back. And here we have the chaise lounge or a day bed or a divan, 7 feet out and out, front to back, this is 30 inches, and the back height is around 40. Now, there are three things in this one: the sofa, three seater, then we have chair, and a day bed. And when we have this kind of combination, it generally is a standard setup what you mostly have in a big living room. So a 3-1-1 and a three seater here. So 8-seater sofa set with a table 4 feet by 2.5 feet, and the top is carved, as you can see. Once we place a glass on top of it, it's ready for use. The color we have is metallic gold with brown highlights. The carving part are highlighted. So that is why if you even are at a distance, every carving, every cutting is so well visible. The major 2 points that I want to cover, and when you are working with Aarsun, and when you are thinking of buying a sofa set, the first thing is choice. Choice can be anything about the colors, about the design, about the number of seats, the fabrics, even the throw pillows, as you can see, the cushion part, and the table size. You want the side tables, you want to add something like a settee, or you want to add a high back chair. All these things are as per choice, what you like. And in this time, when we pay so much attention to every detail, that this is the kind of switch we want, this is the kind of plugs, the electric setup we want, accessories, or the kitchen, or even the bathroom fittings, we take care of every fine thing. So here, your choice is really important. So what you like, we create it accordingly. So in the entire unit, if you want to change anything, be it the color, be it the fabric design, or you want some other setup, we make that and we deliver that to your place. And that place can be in India, entire India we have covered, or you can be in 55 plus countries we are delivering already to. So you can let us know and we deliver it there at your door. The sizes I have mentioned, the wood type I have talked about. Another thing is about the fabric. Fabric plays a very important role because it changes the look completely. For example, let's talk. I am wearing this shirt, and someone gives me a pink shirt, but I don't want to wear pink. I don't like pink for myself. So that is not my choice, and that I'll not wear. Be it any cost, be it very costly from a biggest brand, but that doesn't really work for me. And that is the whole point here. What you like, what is your choice, we work on that. So you let us know what you want and we create it accordingly. The quality part, if we talk about, Arson is an international trademark registered in 35 countries. And you can go to our website, check the testimonials section. Thousands and thousands of pictures from across the globe. And all these people have received the stuff. They have displayed it, finally placed the units, took the pictures, sent back to us. And this is the kind of work we have done in all these years. And when you have so much to show, when you have done so much work, it speaks for itself. I personally don't need to say much because so much is already visible in more than 2000 videos on YouTube, on social media, Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and other social media channels. Best part about this is the interior designers and architects and the home decorators, the people who make your home different. They have different ideas, amazing ideas, and we are giving more ideas to them every day. So you pick what you want, we make it, we deliver it to your place in best quality, in top quality, and at factory price. That is another important thing. When you're buying directly from Arson, you get the best deal because we are the factory, you are the receiver. There's no commission agent, no trader, no middleman who charges extra money. So best price, best quality, the brand of Arson, your choice, Teakwood, durable furniture, everything as per your design and reaching your home safely. What else is left? Let's check the design on the website, on the YouTube, or if you have your own design, you have designed something from yourself or by any AI application, artificial intelligence, we are making that too. A bed is right at the back. If you can see, a big huge bed, I made a video earlier, and this is from AI. The client picked up a design from artificial intelligence, and we made that, and it's now going to the client's place. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you.